Today, we are going to study about the role of bacteria in agriculture. As we all know, that whenever the name of bacteria comes, it is associated with diseases in the human beings and in the animals. We dread this prokaryotic cell, which belongs to the kingdom Monera. In our previous lectures, we have studied about true bacteria. Continuing it further, now we are going to study about the beneficial role of bacteria in agriculture. Now we are going to study about the nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria is present in the nodules of roots of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants are the pulses, beans, etc. And their roots contain nitrogen-fixing bacteria, that is rhizobium. These bacteria have the capacity to convert the nitrogen present in the atmosphere into the soluble nitrates which could be absorbed by the plants. Plants cannot use free nitrogen which is present in the atmosphere, and it has to be converted into the soluble nitrates so that it could be of use for the plant. So we see that nitrogen-fixing bacteria present in the nodules help in converting the atmospheric nitrogen into soluble nitrates, which is utilized by these plants, that is the leguminous plants, and adds to the fertility of the soil. It helps the present crop and also the subsequent crop which would be sowed after these leguminous plants. As we have already discussed that nitrogen present in the atmosphere cannot be used by the plants in its original form. It has to be converted into soluble nitrates, and hence there are certain other bacteria which are present in the soil like Azotobacter and Clostridium. And these bacteria present in the soil, they convert the free nitrogen with the help of hydrogen present in the atmosphere into ammonia, which is hence converted into amino acids and soluble nitrates, and subsequently they are absorbed by the plant. This nitrogen helps the plants in synthesizing its protein. Hence we see that leguminous plants are a good source of protein in the food. Some bacteria like Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter, they convert the nitrogenous waste of animals and the dead remains of animals and plants into ammonia. This ammonia is then converted into ammonium compounds, which is subsequently converted into nitrites and then into soluble nitrates and is absorbed by the plants. So Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter, they help in converting the nitrogenous waste and the dead remains of animals and plants into the soluble nitrates through a chain of reaction. Another set of bacteria, Pseudomonas, are the denitrifying bacteria. They convert the nitrates present in the soil into the free nitrogen for the atmosphere. Thus we see that bacteria are of two kinds, nitrifying bacteria and denitrifying bacteria, and both are very helpful for maintaining the rotation of nitrogen in the atmosphere. The nitrifying bacteria convert the nitrogen into the soluble nitrates for the plants and hence add to the fertility of the soil and enrich the food content of the leguminous plants itself. And denitrifying bacteria, they help in converting the nitrates present in the soil into free nitrogen, which goes back into the atmosphere. Thus, bacteria play a very important role in agriculture, and we see that they help in maintaining the nutrient content of the soil which is helpful for the growth of the plant. They add to the fertility of the soil.